Now remember, we don't have to go over the other side here. We don't have to go here. We're just covering what's facing me. This side on both ends is going to be chocolate. So. Start in the middle. See if we can turn this so you can see it. I don't think I'm going to be able to turn it. Well, we're going to start in the middle. Just pat it down. And then work your way up. Now, where he's got his face, let me cut some of this off so I can turn it. There's my pizza cutter. Okay, so you can see his face here. What we want to do is gently go in around his face. Indent where the eyes were, around where just smooth with your fingers. So now I've got denting around the nose and around the eyebrows. Okay? And then around the side here. And what's nice about that is it's an old man, so the more wrinkles, the better. Okay, so we need to cut this excess off. So I'm just using my knife tool here to tuck it underneath. And then same on this other side. Let me cut it, and I'll turn it around so you can see it. Okay, so we've got our hourglass, we've got his eyes, his nose. Use the side of your thumb to get that indent there. All right, now this part here is the part I was talking about where I don't want this. This is going to be chocolate, so I'm just going to cut it right at the top here. You can use a knife. Just going to use the scissors. I'll probably have to re-crumb coat that, but that's okay. I could have waited to crumb coat it, I suppose. But then I'd have crumbs in my fondant instead of frosting. Not that I don't already have crumbs in my fondant. All right, there we go. Okay. Now before I put the chocolate on the sides, what I want to do is I want to get some of the lines in for this old man's face. So we're going to face this way. Okay, and then we're going to do some of his features. So you can use a toothpick, you can use a knife tool, you can use, this is a veiner. I got a Dresden tool and a veiner, either one. He's gonna have, now you're not gonna be able to see him real well because and some lines underneath here, crow's feet. Some lines here. We are going to use the ball tool to kind of indent where his nostrils would be. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of indent here for his eyebrows. So like the hair on the eyebrows. So it's raised up here. We already know it's raised up here. I'm going to turn it around because I can't see it. Kind of get that going the right way. Comes up this way. So get the hair for the eyebrows. Okay. And then there's like the lines that come around here. Look in the mirror for the mouth. He's actually going to have a mustache, but so you're not going to see these really anyway. But okay, so we got some lines between the eyebrows here. All right, so let's get that mustache on. We can do the, we can do that now and then do the ends.